I used to hate these. Look at this. Wow.
Local tree services have been dumping me cookies all winter long. So we got a cherry log. This monster's American elm, I believe. These are some other kind of elm. I have no clue what this is. And then we got this huge son of a bitch here. And they're taking up space on my lot, and I hate cookies. So we're gonna cut these things up.
Did somebody say cookies?
Get this shit out of here. Let's cut. What are you two doing? Yeah, this is junk. They're just gonna get worse as we go down.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's chuck it in the grass and squirt it and see if it looks any good. Corona's got the buckets and we squirt them good with a hose. I just don't like cookies. It's a shame. That rot's way, way worse than you thought. No. Look like she's turning into smoker wood. On this episode of Men Doing Stupid Men Shit, we're gonna see if I can just make any dent on this thing. Let's go. Nope. Like that's how rotten it is. I'm gonna have a heart attack. She's gonna have to sit before we can split it. All right, next one. So I think this is from the Sassafras log that we have, and it's about 40 inches, 40-inch round. What I'm really excited about is that the log, when you look down on it, we have all of these like cool indents. Kind of has like an olive wood vibe going. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to cut like the first 8 inches off of it, and we could all use 8 inches. So, sorry guy, it's your time. So I don't even care if sassafras isn't desirable. I think I would mill it just to smell it, because this stuff smells so good. It's a little heavier than I'm anticipating. Ooh. What's funny is it's like a 1/4 inch on this side. And then I did 3.5, and the bottom should be 4, because there was about 11 inches left. We're probably gonna wanna put it on there.
Oh, it's not too bad. Damn, man. I was moving oak all day.
True. We'll throw it on top of the cherry. I could split this one, I bet. Oh my goodness.
That's homemade root beer right there.
You won't drink it?
Oh God, no.
You let it ferment, that's moonshine.
Interesting. People love cookies too. I just like, you see how it has these like indents and stuff on it? It's cool. Hopefully this dries nicely. It's a soft wood, so it's not ideal for furniture, but everything gets hard when you add epoxy. Nice. Back it up. Doesn't it smell awesome? I just love playing with sassafras. I mean, if this thing holds and doesn't explode and turn to a bunch of trash, it might be a solid little cookie. By little, I mean, it's like 40 inches, it's like 4 feet around. That's what I'm saying, these little bumps looks almost burly.
Looks like a flower.
That's a father of a little girl.
What's that?
Looks like a flower. Hopefully we can stack these like a mile high.
I'll tell you what, did you see the bottom of that? Like, that's not milled. Somebody cut that. That's
what I was saying. I was like, that's a perfect flat cut.
Someone knows how to use a saw.
All right, pick that sucker up. I think it's time for the big boy. Let's get the elm on here. This is the dream of urban logging. We have a beautiful, what looks to be, I don't know, 5/8 piece of all thread right in the middle of this log. So this big piece of shit should look awful. Does it even fit? This thing's huge. Hold on. We forgot to measure. So it's saying 67 and 73 right here, which is over the capacity of the mill. So that's a big chunk of wood.
I planned it that way.
Yeah.
Send it?
Send it. Clear. The skies are opening up on us. We're gonna peel this off and see how terrible this looks on the inside. That's actually pretty nice looking. Elm's pretty cool looking wood.
See how terrible this looks on the inside.
It's got some wild ass inclusions in it. Inclusion, and this is another inclusion. We got an inclusion here. What do we think? We want to keep rolling? We just got hit with like those storms this week were like out of nowhere. Yeah, let's call it.
3 days later.
The sun is not out, but it is not raining, which means it's back on to these cookies. Buckle up, boys. It's milling time. All right, Elm. I do believe before the rain, this is the first cookie off the slab. So we gotta flip it, because we're gonna just flip all of them, sticker them as we go. Oh boy. I mean, if it doesn't explode, it'll be awesome. Yeah, that's pretty. She's a beaut, Clark.
It's a beaut, Clark, it's a beaut.
Look at my Elm, damn it. That's a cookie I can get behind, because I do hate them. Except my daughter is like in Sesame Street era right now, so lots of Cookie Monster, and he's awesome. I think every tree we've milled in our short lives as milling guys has had the center rotting out.
That looks like the Millennium Falcon.
Yeah, you're not wrong. These will be pretty rad if they don't die. Every time I stack something, my concern is imminent death. Shut up! Shut up! I forgot to tell you guys. I bought a Claro walnut tree in California last night. A whole tree. No, just the trunk, the bottom 9 feet. So we're gonna mill that sucker. We're gonna mill it. I bought a log. It's a Claro walnut log from California. It's gonna be awesome. Make sure you're subscribed, damn it. Let's play with this wood. 1, 2, 3. Felt it coming. You look relatively comfortable scooping out that poo hole, Jordan.
It does feel like I'm scooping out poop.
Have you done this before? I think I might be coming around to Team Cookie. I don't know. Are you Team Cookie? Yes or no? Leave a comment down below. Still could break, so flip it. And then, so it's weakest at the inclusion. Now pick your side up, slide. The Elmo slide. Push the whole thing to me. I used to hate these. In the words of my dad, every single time he took me to a store as a kid, you break it, you buy it. I think we gotta trash this guy. You move that cookie in the middle of the yard. Can you move it? So while we're out here working on our new skill, I wanted to tell you real quickly about this week's sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online platform with a wide variety of subjects like photography, videography, Microsoft Excel, Adobe Illustrator, all kinds of cool stuff. Right now, I am taking a productivity masterclass with Ali Abdal, who is an expert in getting your stuff together. I personally really love developing new skills, and I'm working on a lot of stuff around here, which means I need to be working on the skills to work on said stuff. And if you're someone who's also looking to work on some skills, you can get a free month of Skillshare if you're one of the first 1,000 people to click the link down in the description. Now, I've been using Skillshare for years, and if you've been following me, you know that. So if you're looking to do something new, you're looking to do something fun, looking to learn something, check out Skillshare. They probably have the answers to all of your questions. Thank you, Skillshare. That wasn't too bad. She's a biggin'.
This is sick.
It's huge. It's way bigger when you got it laying down. All right, so here we have another species of elm. I don't know which one. And she's measuring at a hefty 54 inches by 51 inches. A big old log, if I might say so myself. Let me get this thing squared up, and I bet you it's another 8 inches, 10 inches wider at the bottom. So those bottom slabs, she's gonna be real big. We got a little burl over here, which is cool. So we could get some really neat figure in here. I don't think this is the same tree as the one we just cut. We're gonna find out today. This might be the best cookie we've ever seen. Here, that'll be on Bald Eagles and Beer Lines, episode 2, the mill. I love how it has a little bit of that flower shape to it, and it's not uniform, because like a lot of cookies don't have that. They're just round. Like that's why I usually don't like cookies. They're just round. But the character you get from like, oh, that's just so cool. These are a little heavier and a little buggier.
This is elm?
I believe it's elm. I don't know if it's the same species. You know what? If we didn't name her Dr. Hank McCoy, Cookie Monster would have been a good one. Now that I'm Team Cookie. One, two. Oh, dude, this next slab, sex my bomb. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Tiger striped. That is so freaking rad. I don't know if I've ever seen anything like that. Probably because I'm a rookie and we just started doing this. I think it's official, people. I'm Team Cookie. This rules. I probably shouldn't have got that big old burl slab from Goby Walnut. Ah. Just dry this one. And down. Dude, grab the hose. Ooh. So look at this burl on both of them. Like, see that? How freaking awesome is that? That is freaking sick. So cool. You go ahead, put your side down. Last one ended up being pretty flat off the saw cut, so she's a gaper. So rad. No, I'm not. This one's on the fork. Still on the fork. Which side looks more flat? I don't know what this is. I think it's more elm. We're at 58 inches and 48 inches. Yeah, that's so big. There's this cool feature over here. That should be nice. Whatever the hell that is. Do we have a hammer out here, Jordan?
No, but I can go get one.
Yeah, go grab one. You ever seen that technique before? What is this thing? Looks like we're milling around it. We're risking it all on this one. Wonder if our blade's getting dull or I was moving too quick. All right, I'm gonna take another pass off the top. Actually, I could probably just send it. She's a big one. This is the one Jordan was waiting on.
Sure is.
Cut this one at 4 because of the cup. Oh, we've got some of that awesome coloring going on again.
Ready?
And some metal. Good, they look real nice.
Holy cow.
Carbide tip, baby. So they're in that one too.
What was it?
It's super, I don't know.
The bottom of this one had like, it looked like threads.
Threads? All right, hop in there, Jordan, back that sucker up. Oh man, sucks that metal's in this one. Look at how beautiful that, these things, little speckles. Let's see if we can cut around that thing. I was getting a lot of chatter on the blade coming through the last 2 cuts. Probably check it. The carbide's completely gone. You know how you can usually see it? There's no carbides.
It's not teeth, so.
The carbide's gone. That's crazy. Damn. This is the one with the freaking thing in it. So the metal is like, maybe it'll come out when it's dry, drier. I don't know, at least got a handle. Hope I don't catch it in the weenus. That one's going on full hog. Bottom's so just let her dry. Got it? Nope. Hold. 1, 2, 3. I had to adjust the sticker while moving. Whew. And after that, that's gonna be a wrap on this one, I gotta say. This was way more fun than I was anticipating, and I really am liking a lot of these cookies. If you love cookies, tell me down below. and then go watch this incredible playlist of us playing with our wood.